Today we are going to discuss hospital, and hospital is there in the D pharmacy second year subject. Okay, so let's start. We will discuss hospital, function of hospital, classification of hospital, hospital organization. So let's start. What are hospitals? Okay, so hospitals are an integral part of the social organization meant to take care of the acutely ill and to promote health of the community. And the function of hospital is the major activity of hospital is care of the patient. As we all know that patients are well treated in the hospital. So what are the functions of hospital? First of all, hospital provide treatment to the patient. Second, provide care to severely ill, provide accommodation to the ill, serve as immunization center, impart education and training to medical student, the job training staff and paramedical personnel, engage in active research, support public health program, impart public education. So these are the major functions of the hospital, and as well as it is also involved in research, advancement of knowledge about disease, to develop new methods to treat this and to improve hospital services. Education and training are common. So classification of hospital, we are now going to discuss what are the classification, how many parts are there of the hospital. First of all, on the basis of objective, hospital can be classified into three major categories. First is teaching cum research hospital. The main objective is teaching based on research. For example, AIMS, as we all know that All India Institute of Medical Science, New Delhi, that is Delhi in that is also for postgraduate institute of medical education, and the hospital attached to medical colleges also come in this category. So now second part is general hospital. So what is there in general hospital? What are objective of general hospital? That is, general hospital is also provide medical care to people. Teaching and research are secondary objective. For example, district hospital or taluka hospital. Special hospitals are also there. That is third part. Um, in this, what is happening? The hospital concentrate on a particular aspect of organ of the body, specialized to provide medical care on that aspect. For example, pediatric for small children, and for child, and for cancer, dental, psychiatric, tuberculosis, heart, etc. So alternately, they may be designed to serve a particular type or group of people. For example, maternity homes, pediatric hospital, etc. And second, on the basis of ownership, administrative control, hospitals may be classified as government hospital, semi-government hospital, voluntary agencies hospital, private hospital. And also, on the basis of system of medicine, the hospital may be classified as allopathic hospital, Ayurvedic hospital, homeopathic hospital, Unani hospital, as well as hospital of other system of medicine. And fourth, on the basis of size of the hospital, as we all know, size matters. So teaching hospital bed size 500 may be increased according to the number of student. District hospital is there, their bed size is 200, maybe raised to 300 depending upon the population. And third is Tehsil Taluka Hospital, bed number 50 may be raised on the basis of population. Primary health care center 6, their bed size is 6, may be increased to 10 depending upon the need. Ordinarily, the distribution of bed in a 200 bedded hospital may be as under: medical 60 bed, surgical 40 bed, gynecology and obstetrics 35 beds, pediatric 15 beds, orthopedics 5, eye 10, ENT 10, skin 5, isolation 10, psychiatric 5, and emergency 5. So the district hospital should serve as a referral center and provide for specialist services. Hospital organization. Now we are going to discuss hospital organization. And what is there in hospital organization? There is governing body. There is a chart. First there will be governing body, and after that there will be committees, then hospital administrator, and after that finance, nursing, administrative, auxiliary, medical staff, and pharmacy. We all are interrelated. So the highest decision making body of the hospital is the governing body, variously called the board of governor, the board of trustees, or the board of director. The apex body comprises of politician, person of eminence in the field of medical education, research, administration, and representative of the society. society. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe my channel.